Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tips and Tricks for you. Today in this video I will show you how to make money by taking pictures. For example, you go to shopping mall, have fun and have your cell phone with you. Just use it to do very simple tasks, 10 to 20 seconds tasks, and they will pay you again and again. I will show you details, but before start the video I invite you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive daily new videos. You see here I upload daily interesting videos for you. So if you at the end, if you like this video, then hit on like button and share this video with your friends. So let's get started. So today we're gonna talking about application is called Job Spotter. Now Job Spotter belongs a company, huge company called Indeed. Indeed is basically a website where you find jobs online. Alright, what Job Spotter does? Basically, it's a crowdsourcing company that pays anyone to go and find help wanted signs. For example, you walking around the shopping mall and you see out of the shop that says it help wanted or hiring now. All you need, take a picture and just upload it to the JobSpotter website and they will pay you. So what JobSpotter does is basically helps finds other little jobs there. That's average shop owners, smaller shops, they are not going to advertise their banners or something like that. They just write on paper that and they hire someone and put outside the shop. Now with job spotter you upload this picture in website and in application, and many people can see it, and we can find a job and the person can find a staff. It's really helpful. All you need to do is, as you can see here, you just take and submit photos of help wanted signs. Every approved submission adds to your wallet balance. Redeem your balance for a gift card at any time. And here it is available for Android phone, and here it is available for iPhones. So now I show you this application, and you see have this application got 4.3 ratings, which is really good, and total for 153 reviews now, which is really good. Now how much you get paid doing this? You're gonna make couple of dollars, and basically job spotted pays on varies, depends on your snapshot, that how really interesting and good snapshot you'd send him them. I don't know exactly that how they determine, but typically they pay in start 5 cents, but going even up to $1 or more just for one photo of the help wanted. You are not going to make rich, but you can make some extra dollars. I seen people's making $20 per month, $30 per month just doing this. And the important point, you can redeem this balance to a via Amazon gift card, and the job spotted now doing in US, UK, Canada, and they are expanding globally. So this is the best. Try to find the application in your country. Hopefully it works in your country. So that's it guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, then please hit on like button and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.